Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jimbo, and today I'm going to showcase 3 really random products that I found on Amazon. So the other day I was a little bored and cruising Amazon like I normally do when I'm bored, and I came across some really obscure cleaning products that I've never seen before. So in today's video, what we're going to do is actually purchase those products. I'm going to show them to you, and then we're going to try them out to see if they work, if they're not, and just how weird they are. So the first one up is a tool, or I guess it's a tool that I've never seen before. This is called the Spin 360 Car Mop. And it's quite a process to put it together. It has a little soap reservoir here, hooks up directly to your garden hose, and this is very interesting. As the water flows through, it spins this little dial after it goes through the soap dispenser, and then it comes out onto this chenille wash mitt, and it's a wash mop. I guess you go onto the surface of your car like that. So I'm not gonna actually try this on a real car. I'm gonna try it on the panel. A very interesting thought, something I've never seen before, and kind of looks like it scratched the crap out of your car. If you think about those car wash tunnels, it's actually a car wash tunnel in a mop. I don't know. Pretty cool, could be super cool. I really can't wait to try this one out. All right, here's the cannon. Okay, you gotta open up the soap reservoir right away. Woo! This thing is bitchin'. I love this. I would totally, if I didn't care about my car, I would totally use it, but we're losing soap already. The soap doesn't come out very good. But you're kind of far enough. Why is the soap not coming out very good? Let's see. Okay, it's just leaking. It leaks soap. Oh, there we go. Now the soap's coming out. Wow, this is wild. What an experience. But this is really gonna clean your car. I'll tell you that much, but man. Look at that. This is wild. Tell you what though, it takes a lot. You could probably get at least half your car done. That foam cannon, you're gonna get your hood done before you're out of soap. Wow. It's actually kind of fun. Wow. That was fun. I think that's it, huh? Next up is something Adams Polishes actually tried to launch a few years back, and it was a total flop, is this. This is a dust cleaning gel, they call it, and if we open this up, it's actually like slime. So kind of like your kids probably play with slime, but the idea, at least according to the Amazon listing of this was about 10 bucks, is that when you roll it over the surface of your car, it will pick up the dust, dirt, debris, and crumbs, and then you can just kind of shove it back in the jar, put the lid on it, and put it back in your glove box. Kind of similar to like when I did the 5-minute crafts video, and they put a sock over like a Starbucks cup. My wonder is, if you have chip crumbs, and you roll this over to get the chip crumbs, then your crumbs and your dirt and debris are in the slime, or in this goo. Let's try it out and see if it actually works or just makes a huge slime ball mess. Right, so you have your dirty ass car and your crumbs from your cookies that you ate, and I guess you just maybe this is like a one-time use thing. Again, kind of makes more of a mess, and then this is what you're stuck with. But maybe if you rework it, I think it sends more crumbs onto the ground than anything. Yeah, this is like a one-time use, and then it's just, like that sound, Bryant? Just get a vacuum? I think a vacuum is really becoming the trick here. Just get a vacuum. Next up is a garden hose foam cannon, but one like I've never seen before. And in fact, instead of mixing water and soap into the reservoir, they just want you to do straight soap. What's very different and cool about this one, I guess, compared to a traditional garden hose foam cannon, is it has a locking trigger, which is awesome. It feels super cheap, like it's gonna break one day. And then has this control valve on top where you can actually bypass the soap reservoir and just shoot water. And in fact, there's a gauge from light to a lot of water that you can do. And then there's actually 3 different settings on how much foam or soap you want to go into. It's really little. We're only talking about 3 ounces of soap. So my theory is that you're gonna run out of soap and have to refill this as you wash your car. But also kind of cool because as a traditional garden hose has, you have all these like jet, shower, mist, cone, rinse, stream, and flat settings. And so it'd be really interesting to see how you can like foam cannon a car. And I'm thinking this may be a better foam cannon, a better garden hose foam cannon than the traditional ones that we see. So it also comes with this really small, kind of light, crappy feeling Chanel wash mitt, but and also comes with a second reservoir because this is plastic and it really feels like it's gonna break, but extra O-rings to keep you from having any leaks, springing a leak, as they say. Eye roll. Anyway, let's try it out and see if it's any better. Right, so like the settings, this is the lowest. This is, you can actually see there's still foam in it, but this is supposed to be the lowest water setting, the lowest stream, and this is the most extreme stream. This is supposed to be no foam. There you go, kind of cleared out. So again, you could bypass the foam cannon and just rinse your car off, right? And there's that locking trigger, or if we rotate this, and this is on the shower mode, if we rotate this, this is the lowest foam setting, medium foam setting. So what it's actually doing is just pressing out more pressure of water. It doesn't seem like it's like opening up more foam. And then this is the highest foam setting. Highest foam, again, we'll do that. We'll go back to the lowest foam setting. I think it actually worked best on the low. Oh, look, and I'm already out of soap almost. So it runs the water through the reservoir, right, with the soap, but I'm already out of soap. So this one's, even though it's cool and works, it's a huge fail because you would literally have to fill up the reservoir. I mean, I literally basically washed the hood. So you might have to fill up the reservoir with soap 3-4 times before you actually got enough soap on the car. So that's pretty disappointing. Maybe if you had a bigger reservoir on there, but that was it. That burned through the soap in the amount of time that it took me to actually show you guys what the heck was even going on. So that's pretty insane, right? So they're pretty wild. I think my favorite one out of all these is this like 360 wash broom. Now, I would probably never actually use this on a customer's car or a car that I really cared about, but on a car that you don't really care about, or if you're not that into cars and you're just really trying to get it done, I would probably suggest this because you have your foam and your soap and everything kind of all in one and it connects fairly easily. But what did you think about this? Do you use any of these products? Do you like this garden hose foam cannon compared to another one? Have you ever, I've never seen someone do a review or a video on this 360 mop, but maybe you use it at home. So let me know in the comments below, and on your way down there, don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button. And how about give this video a thumbs up if you like it too. And I will catch you guys on the next video. See ya.